These are the elevators of the Hilton Garden Inn, West Lafayette. Are you coming on? Come on.
Yeah, I don't know where we're going.
6, please.
6?
Oh, yep.
All right.
I was thinking about might run out to the car.
Grab our stuff, yeah.
Before we go on.
Yeah, I'm
So
gonna
I'm gonna
change
change
my
shoes.
Well, I'm gonna change. It's getting a little warm out there. So do it this way. Thank you.
Sure thing. We got some Schindlers here. This place just underwent a massive renovation. These cabs look new. They look nice. Pretty basic MTs though. There's a phone. 3,000 pound capacity. And there's the certificate and the state number. Freshly inspected, it looks like. Not every day you see an MT high hydraulic though. So I mean, these are sort of interesting. And here we are at 1. And that's it.